noticed, my mind has been scrambling all day to talk about what to talk about. So, I'm gonna talk about dating. Everyone's favorite subject. So, dating sucks, you know? I've had a rough go at dating, and oh my, it all escaped my brain. I'm sorry because I don't know what happened, but all comedians I've seen online have a theme. So my theme is dating, but I'm random, so it might not just be dating. It might be random and scrambled and everything. So, yeah, my neighbor and I were talking, and she said men are like microwaves and women are like crock pots, because the men want to get right in there, and the girls take some time to cut, and they don't want to get right in there. But that doesn't mean all men, you know. I had to ask Latin because the poets here are probably like, that's not me. I have some jokes to tell you guys, and then your mama jokes. So, one is your mama is so stupid that she thought Taco Bell was a Mexican phone company. That's my uncle's favorite joke I tell. So I tell him every year, and I'm like, you already know that joke because I tell you every year. But he still laughs at it a lot. I have other jokes on my phone, so 1 second. Oh, about dating. I have a list of potential bachelors in my YSL world, and everybody loves it. Like, they have nicknames, like my high school crush's nickname is Nick Sexy, so I say, hi Nick Sexy, how you doing? He loves it, all of them love it. And they're like, what can I do to become number 1 on your list? And I'm like, take me out on a date, dude. So all of my nicknames are usually from TV shows. So there's Mix Sexy, Mix Steamy 2.0, because he's not just Mix Steamy, he's extra, so 2.0. There's 007, there's Lucifer, which is in the 12 tonight.
I'm engaged, so I'm getting off that list, Tori.
I do have a non-available list on my list, so he's under the not the radio boy, because he's getting married on the 3rd of December. Let's make Hardy, make Willie, make the laundry, and Detective Douche. I told him that, and he said, is that a good or bad thing? And I said, we're both. And I have some real dreams. If you want to hear my real dreams, you can talk to me and I'll share them. I have them written down in a dream journal, so my journal is filled with dreams. I was gonna bring it up tonight, but I didn't. Okay, will Finley come on the stage? Okay, I'm gonna share some pickup lines with you guys. So this is my lovely assistant, Finley. She's my new best friend. I met her 2 weeks ago. Okay, here I go. Will you grab my arm? Because I want to tell my friends something touched by an angel. Did it hurt when you fell out of a vending machine? The school you were snapped. Does your left eye walk? Because you're looking white. Oh, are you talking to me? Because you have fire written all over you. You nigga. Okay, that's all the pickup lines I have. So if you want to sit down, you can. I have some dad jokes for you. Okay? Where do you go to learn how to make banana splits? Sunday school! You got it, Charles! Why was the cell phone wearing glasses? Because it lost all its contacts. That's all the bad jokes I have. But here's another joke. Why are pigs good valets? Because they're excellent fellow talkers. What's a monster on a leash? Man's best friend. How do potatoes resolve fights? They hash it out. When can peanuts laugh? When you crack them up. Why did the chicken do jumping jacks? Because she wanted scrambled eggs. Why did the child still instantly at the carton of orange juice? It's a concentrate. Why are ghosts so bad at telling lies? Because you can see right through them. That's not a joke. No, it's not, Charles. I had it from you. What did the host say when it fell over? I can't get here. That's all, folks. Two activities.